You don't need to be an influencer to start making money. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the daily income. So you should be seeing my screen now. So if you go to my website, go growcashflowwithdavid.com. This is the landing page. What I'm going to need is an email from you. You put your email in and show me how. Then you're going to get to video. For anyone who wants to earn, want to know where to begin. So watch that video. We got testimonials. This is Mac Mills, my business partner, private community, faceless reels, all that. So you click start earning today. Boom. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna create your account, put your name, email, just create your account, and then you're gonna have to pay one time $297. 200 comes to me, and $97 admin fee goes to Mac Mills for creating the system. So once you've paid, been referred, make sure referred by me. You're gonna get in here, and this is what your dashboard should look like. You should see your refer right here in the corner. So you would be referred by me if you join. You're gonna see my picture here, all my social medias. Here's a video, the system setup. So you see all these live recognition. These are people making money. People just joined. To date, this is paid out $1,387,400 to the members. People are earning commissions every day. You got this back here. This is how you set up your system. Make sure you do this so you get paid. Now, this is lead capture. This is optional. This is an upsell. It's going to be $25 a month. But the reason you want a funnel is because you want to capture email. The same way you went to my page, put in your email. You want to capture your leads because not everybody buys on the first go around. So you want to be able to email them and follow up with them. You got all your links. These are all different links and different landing pages and whatever. We got place to buy traffic in here. This is another optional add-on you can do. This is TapFlick. Once you get in there, that's that. We got resources, different emails done for you. You can copy. These are your recommended tools. And the thing is, as you go through this stuff and you decide if you want these tools, the point is, as you sign up and they are add-ons, this is how you're going to make additional money with your system because the people you sign up are also going to use the tools. If you use them, why wouldn't they? This is your checkout referral, so anybody who's been through this and whatever, your commissions will show up here. I don't have any commissions yet. I just started. This is the leaderboard, top 200 members and whatever. Of course, Mac is number one. He created the system, whatever, in sales. You see, people are making money with this. But this is what you pay for. The daily income method, this is a step-by-step system showing you how to use the faceless reels, showing you the process of doing what you need to do to start making money. Here's 100,000 faceless reels. These are ready to post content. You can post as your own. You download it, add your website, your whatever, and you use that to grow your pages, your social medias, and get people to land on your website. We have the viral hook generator, so it's using an AI to create scripts for either you to do a reel, for you to make videos, for your Facebook page, so you can make a post. We got the Facebook profile growth guide, AI mastery training, so you're gonna be able to clone yourself as AI and have AI version of you making videos with put yourself out there. AI, how to make money posting memes on Facebook. This is training on becoming monetized on these different platforms like Facebook, and you can make money just posting. So outside of selling this platform, this system, you're gonna do this to get monetized and have Facebook paying. Then, like I said, we want to capture emails. You got secret black book of email swipe. So this is nice emails that you could use to promote this or promote any other thing you're working on. And we have the community, which this is community news feed in the app. We also have the Facebook group, so which everybody's on Facebook. So we got the Facebook group. It's more active, 421 active members as of right now. People are sharing, asking questions, answering questions. They do training every Monday. So one of the things I like about this system is we do have training every Monday, and they're helping people because the thing about affiliate marketing is you're selling yourself. So you got to learn how to sell and put the product out there and go sell this. This is a basic overview of the daily income method. You see the community, you see what's going on. You definitely, you need to go ahead and if you're ready to join, you're ready to start making money for yourself, hit me up. There should be a link in the comments or in the description of this video, and you can get started up, get it rolling. Once you've paid, I'll activate you as a member, and you're ready to rock and roll. Start earning $200 instant commissions. People need this because most people are marketing and they're just basically throwing stuff at the wall and seeing what sticks. This is an actual method, actual training, so you could use it to promote this product and sell the system itself or anything else you're already working on. But that's it. Stay tuned to more videos. Stay plugged in. Build something bigger. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I do other videos for other ways to make money. Definitely keep following me.